welcome back to Colorado Spring Small Engine Repair. And in this episode, we're not going to fix small engines. We're going to deal with the lighting situation in my garage. I have 3 fluorescent lights, and then I have one other fluorescent light right above the bench area. And then I have a halogen light that I use that lights everything up. So you probably see some of my previous videos. See how I look now? I plugged that big sucker in and it's bright as hell. And it actually is, it's warm. It's a source of heat in the winter time. But, oh, well, I almost tripped over the new lights. I got some new LED. Oh wait, we gotta unplug the halogen. You can see me again. LED lights, 4 of them, and I'm just going to hang them right above the area that I work in. So hopefully the lighting will be better. I don't have to rely on that halogen. And yeah, I've been watching some of my past videos, and it's just hard to see. So let's put some new lights up. There we go. No halogen light is on. All the lights are on. You can see it in the time lapse, but you can see me. It's not dark in here anymore. Yeah, so I got those on Amazon. I don't know, there were like 4 of them for like 50 or 70 bucks, 65 bucks, something like that. How many watts are they? 42 watts, 5,000 color, 5,000K color. So, pretty cheap, inexpensive way to light up your garage. So yeah. So now on to making more videos with a bright garage and not this huge lamp that, I don't know. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.